Hey guys, it's the most wonderful time of the year, and it's time to create floral Christmas stockings with red and green hypericum berries, pine tree ferns, red spray roses, white cushion pom-poms, and silver dollar eucalyptus. Get them fresh at affordable prices from globalrose.com. Let's begin by snipping 2 stems of red roses and white pom-poms about 4 inches long. Add a stem of red and green hypericum. Bunch them up with some eucalyptus leaves and tape the stems together with some green floral tape. Don't forget to snip off the extra stems. Then, add a pine tree fern, or you can choose any of your favorite Christmas filler. After securing your sprig, add strips of red and white ribbons, or you could even go with silver or gold ribbons. Fasten them together with a piece of white string. Tie a cute little neat bow to complete the look. Position your floral piece where you want it to be and use a safety pin to carefully secure it to the stocking from the inside. And there you have it, flower Christmas stockings to add some seasonal style to your holiday decor. Thanks for watching.